my sock is like completely off. So is my other one. It's Britney, bitch. Hey guys, welcome back, or welcome to my channel if you are new. Before I get into the video, I do just quickly want to say I will be doing a giveaway when I get to 1,000 subscribers. And I did put a little questions thing up on my Instagram story asking you guys what kind of products you'd want for the giveaway. Just because if I put anything in there you didn't want, that kind of defeats the whole purpose. So someone actually said you should do like a favorites giveaway, and I think that's a really good idea because then I know they're products that are really good and they're products that I swear by. And I will have another video closer to when I get to 1,000 subscribers just kind of explaining how to enter the giveaway. So yeah, I just wanted to quickly say that just to let you guys know that that will be coming. Without further ado, if you want to see how I got this makeup look, then just keep watching. Alright, so as you guys can tell, I already did my eyebrows off camera to save a little bit of time. And first we are going to start with the eyes, because if there's any fallout or anything, I can just take it off with a makeup wipe and it just makes my life a little bit easier. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go into this little Huda Beauty Topaz palette. I'm going to take this shade right here and I'm going to put that all in my crease as a transition shade. Oh, and I'm also using the Morphe E22 blending brush. Now I'm just going in with the Peach Tea shade in the Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes palette. It's that one right there. And I'm going to put that in my crease with an Morphe M433 brush. And I'm just going back in with the Morphe E22 brush and just blending that together. Now I'm going to take that same Morphe brush and going to go back into the Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes palette and take Peach Tart, which is that one right there. And I'm going to apply that on my outer V. I'm going to go into the Huda Beauty palette again, the Topaz one, and I'm going to take this shade, it's like a shimmery shade right there, with my finger, and I'm going to apply that in my inner corner of my eye. Now I'm going to take this one and put that in like the middle of my eye. Now I'm just going to take a clean M441 brush by Morphe and blend those together. Now I'll take my Anastasia Beverly Hills glitter adhesive and gold glitter. This is in their new collection. This one's called Star Power, and I'm going to apply that to where I put those eyeshadows on my lid just to give it a little bit more of a pop. Alright, now that the glitter's on there, I'm going to start doing my face makeup. So I'm going to take the Too Faced Born This Way foundation and my beauty blender. Just put that all over my face. Now I'm gonna take my Tarte concealer and just put that under my eyes and my forehead and my chin a little bit. Now I'm taking my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder and I'm going to put that all over my face with my Morphe M438 brush. Now for bronzer, I'm going to take my Hula Fit bronzer by Benefit. Did I just call it a Hula Fit bronzer? I meant Hula bronzer. And I'm going to be taking my Morphe E4 brush, put that on with that. And with the Morphe E17 brush, I'm going to be taking the same transition shade I used in the Huda Beauty palette, and I'm putting that on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to be taking my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and just going to apply that to my lashes. Now I'm going to just go off camera quick and pop on my Lily lashes in the style Miami. Alright, I'm back. Lashes are on. Now I'm just going to put my white liner in my waterline. This liner's from NYX. Alright, now I'm just going to put on some bottom mascara. Alright, now I'm just going to apply a little bit of highlight. I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezi highlighter and my Morphe M510 brush and just apply that. I'm not going crazy, I just want a little subtle highlight. Now to finish off the look, I'm just going to do lips. I'm going to take this Revlon lip liner in Nude. Yeah, I guess it's just called Nude. This sucks. I only like the color, so I'm going to use it, but it sucks. Now to finish off the look, I'm going to take my Bare Minerals Infamous liquid lipstick and apply that to my lips and then just blend the two together. Alright guys, so this is the final look right here. I really hope you enjoyed, and if you want to see any more makeup tutorials, then just give this video a thumbs up. And comment down below if you have any suggestions at all so that I know what you guys want to see instead of just giving you a bunch of videos that you don't care for. And yeah, I guess that's it. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!